Think you're an animal ace? Gear up because this quiz separates the wildlife wizards from the jungle novices. Let's dive in.
Which animal navigates primarily using echolocation in total darkness? What distinguishes a reptile's skin from an amphibian's? Halfway there, nature enthusiast. Keep that brain buzzing for more wild facts. A group of lions is most commonly known by what collective term? Which stage precedes pupation in a butterfly's life cycle? What is the largest living structure on Earth, visible from space? Fantastic effort, quiz champion. How many did you conquer? Every correct answer proves your passion. Comment your score below and follow for more daily nature challenges.